Hi everyone. You already know breakfast for one. Kindly join me. Fashion made food. Number one, Waitrose and Patinas Royal Decide Natural Mineral Waters. The sparkling water, lightly carbonated, pure water from the Cairngorms National Park. Like I always say, try it. I got milk already in it. Cheers. But it's not. If you find this in someone's fridge, you think it's wine, spirit, alcohol, whatever. So yes, you already know. Number one, Waitrose and Partners. Royal Decide Natural Mineral Waters. The sparkling water, lightly carbonated, pure water from the Cairngorms National Park. Something you should try. I just drank one now. Breakfast for one. Got my buttered bread. I got my cocoa. Father, stick in it. Mm.